Okay, good day. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an order bump in AdPage. So what exactly is an order bump? So if you're selling one product with Stripe, then you can always upsell within the form itself. So let's go to Stripe itself. So I'm now selling an ad template for personal trainers for only $7. So I will save this product, and after I'm done saving this product, I go back to AdPage. I'm clicking on the form and then click on the payment credit card icon. Here I can select which account in Stripe I want to connect, so I will choose the Funnel Builder Limited. Then I will use account, and I'm now seeing this product, Facebook ad template for personal trainers. So I can click on this, I can define the thank you page and fill your return. I can also decide to collect address or not. So now in this stage, I created a Stripe integration where people fill in this form, and when they click on submit, then it will go to Stripe checkout without the order bump. So if I want to add an order bump, I will simply add a field, click on the field button, and then there is one option called OrderBump. So I will select this one, and then again it will load the Stripe model pop-up. As you can see, there are no order bumps here. So first you have to go to Stripe and you have to add a new product. So you already see that this product is there, but we actually selected that as a main product. So I will add one new product, and I will call it upsell to Funnel Builder. And let's say for only $29 you get Funnel Builder. So the pricing will be $29, and it will be a one-time payment. So then I click on Save Product. Okay, so I will go back to Stripe again, click on the order bump, and then you can see the upsell to Funnel Builder. So I will simply select that one. I can also choose to give a percentage discount on that one, but in this case I will not choose that. So I will click on Create, and I can still change the text here. So get Funnel Builder for only $29 extra. So if I'm done with this, I can go to Publish. We'll publish the project, go to the link, and now can I test it? Click on it, and then it will go to the Stripe checkout. And here you can see that I have the Facebook ad template for personal trainers for $7 and the upsell to the Funnel Builder, including the subscription here. So here the user can fill in his details, and after that he's done that, it will also be available in the lead part of your page. So if you go to leads, then the details of that user will be there as well. So you have everything in one place. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and please let me know if you have any questions about the order bump through the support. You can always click on the intercom, and we will be happy to help you out with this.